So what do you think of the hair transplant?
Very happy with the results. It's been almost a couple of years and definitely seen the results right away. I think this man is a genius and definitely happy.
Raj is 44 years old and 18 months ago had a hair transplant. He had what you can see here is a Norwood 4 pattern with balding of the interior portion of the scalp, mid-scalp in particular. Today we see him 18 months later, and you can see that he has had a very good result with good density and a natural hairline. Face me, face straight, camera. Chin down. And you can see there's a very good transition to the non-transplanted area, and this looks really good. Turn on, please. Face the wall. This is the donor area. Because it is an FUE, there's no linear scar. And in fact, there's good uniform hair regrowth. Turn on, please. Face the camera. So what do you think of the hair transplant?
Very happy with the results. It's been almost a couple of years and definitely seen the results right away. I think this man is a genius and definitely happy with the results, and I do the PRP also now. I've started at Shore Hair doing PRP every 6 months as well.
And so comments from friends and family?
Just wonderful. Everybody has noticed something, although they don't say particularly a transplant, they do notice you're looking younger. There's that comment to me regularly.
For those people thinking of doing a hair transplant and on the fence, what would you say to them?
100% do it, okay? If you're thinning at the top, you want a little bit thicker at the top, or you want to do a complete transplant with lots of grafts, I would recommend 100% go ahead and do it.
And your confidence level and how you feel?
100%. Your confidence level will go up. You'll feel confident on a daily basis, and it's definitely something that is not only good for you but your family as well.